You need to watch this if you've ever lost Ethereum to a shady platform. Too many people give up, but there is a way forward. Let's break it down step by step. First, take a deep breath. I know, losing your ETH feels awful, but don't let panic drive your next move. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, gather every detail you have. Save screenshots, transaction IDs, wallet addresses, emails, everything. The more evidence, the better. Step 2, report the scam. Go to your country's cybercrime authority, like the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center if you're in the US, or Action Fraud in the UK. File a detailed report. This makes your case real, and helps authorities track down patterns. No luck yet? Use legit recovery site like societech.com. They use submitted transaction hash to trace your stolen ETH with their highly rated recovery tools. Sometimes they can spot if it lands on a known scam wallet or exchange. They are the quickest, best option. Contact them as soon as you notice the scam. If your ETH moved to a big platform, reach out to their support team with all your evidence and official report. They will freeze the scammer's account if you act fast. Timing is important in your recovery process. The earlier you report the scam or stolen ETH, the higher chance you have in your recovery process. Above all, don't lose hope. Even if recovery takes time, your action could help others. And just maybe, get justice for yourself. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, knowledge is your best protection. Like and follow for more crypto tips.